Hi guys, welcome back. It's Nikki here, and I'm here today to talk about blondes and how to specifically get your blondes from not fading to yellow or brass. And I just have a few quick tips that we have been talking to our clients about, and I thought you guys would want to hear. So one of the first tips that we have is washing your hair in cold water. I know, not super fun, but if you want to keep that brass from staying away, it's a really big tip. It helps us a ton. It keeps that cuticle closed and it keeps that brass from creeping in. Redken's Color Extend Blondage. I love this shampoo and the conditioner as well. It's a purple shampoo and it's a lavender conditioner. You just get your hair wet, put the shampoo on, leave it on to 3 to 5 minutes, and then rinse out. Do the same with the conditioner. It's fantastic. In fact, my lovely doll head here, I washed her hair with this side over here with Blondage, and this with the regular shampoo and conditioner. And as you can tell, this has kept with a cooler tone. It's not as brassy and not as yellow, whereas this is really yellow and really brassy. It doesn't mean that you have to be an ash blonde or a white blonde to use it. You can be a warmer blonde. It's just keeping that brass or that yellow. Both benefit from a good purple shampoo and conditioner. You want to keep the sun, not be in the sun so much, or have a product that has sunscreen in it. Sun damage can cause fading, and it can cause brass and yellowing. Also, chlorine is not your friend. Chlorine will make your hair yellow real quick, and turn it, if you are in chlorine a lot, turn it green. Just try to keep your hair tied up and don't be in chlorine a ton. Last but not least, I have one more, is heat damage. Always have a heat protectant in your hair, so that way even blow drying or thermal, the fading won't happen, and you will keep your nice, beautiful blondes buttery or cool. Thanks again for watching our show and the tips that we have. Please subscribe, contact us, email us. We'd love to hear from you. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you later.